Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about all the specifications of the Casio W-218H-1AV. So this is the full black version, but you can opt for others as well. You can easily find it on Amazon, and this is a great deal, a great upgraded entry-level Casio watch compared to the Casio F-91W, for example. So when it comes to the watch dimensions, let's start with this. We have a lug-to-lug distance of 44.4 millimeters and a case width of 43.2 millimeters, and the case thickness is going to be 10.8 millimeters. I would say that it wears very nice on medium wrists. As you can see, I have wrist size of 165 millimeters, and this watch looks very good. I'm also going to throw it on the wrist at the end. Also, you have to know that this comes on the resin strap, something that is really classic to Casio watches, and the case is as well made of resin. When it comes to the total length, you can easily accommodate wrist sizes between 145 millimeters and 215 millimeters. Also, when it comes to the glass, this is also going to be resin. That is something really cool because the writing is on the inner part of the dial, and you can easily polish the scratches that this watch might have in the future. You can easily tell about a few things when you look at the watch. As you can see, we have Illuminator written right here. So this means that this is going to have the upgraded light function. As you can see, an orange looking color, but it is going to light up the entire display, so not just a small lateral light that you have, for example, on the Casio F-91W. Then we have the start stop, so we know that this is going to be used for timing, and we have the alarm chronograph written right here, so you can set your alarm, you can turn it on and off, so that is something really cool. We have a water resistance of 50 meters, so you do not get that 100 to 200 meters of water resistance that you would get on your G-Shock watches, but nonetheless this is going to be, I would say, very good when it comes to rain, or maybe in case you wash your hands, so you do not have to worry about that. And then if we press the mode button, we can see that we have the alarm, the stopwatch, and the setting of time and date. And if we press the start stop button, we are going to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, as you can see right here. When it comes to the back of the watch, you can see that we have the four classic screws that also have a gasket on the inner part, and when it comes to the strap, it is going to be held in place by these two metallic pins. You can easily interchange straps, switch to a NATO strap, a leather strap, or buy a new one in case this one breaks in the end. Here you can see that it writes made in China. That is going to be correct for this model. When it comes to the alarm, we are going to have the daily alarm that you can set, and also you will be able to switch on and off the alarm or the hourly beep, so you can use both or none of them, so that is something really cool. Then when it comes to the stopwatch, we are going to have up to 1/100th of a second, and when it comes to the measuring capacity, it is going to be up to 1 hour, so 59 minutes 59 seconds 0.99. Now when it comes to the measuring mods, it has elapsed time, split time, first and second place time, so that is something really cool. And also when it comes to setting the time and date, you will be able to set the seconds, the minutes, the hours, and also the month, the day of the month, and the day of the week, so that is something really cool. And in order to finalize the process, we are going to press the mode button once again. As promised, this is how the watch looks on the wrist. I really like the full black version, but you have others as well, and I really like the feeling of this resin strap. These Casio watches feel very light on the wrist, and I really like that. I love the full black versions from Casio, so this is how it looks on my 165 millimeters wrist, but as I mentioned, it can accommodate smaller or bigger wrists. So guys, that was everything that you need to know about the watch. In case you enjoy it, make sure to check out the link in the description box below in order to purchase it. This is going to be a very cool watch. As I mentioned, you can choose different colors, but I would definitely recommend a full black in case you are looking for a one watch collection. And also, if you enjoy these types of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next. I'm also going to post a full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, also how to replace the watch battery, and I'm going to leave links in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And if you are into vintage watches, make sure to head out to vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.